Oh, Thomas, do you have the hiccups? Do you have the hubcups? Uh-huh. You look kind of angry. Are you angry? Is it past your bedtime? We're just lounging watching TV. Look over here, Bo. Oh, you look tired. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you.